Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create a metallic silver text style. Type your text using a bold sans serif font, then apply gradient overlays with gray, silver and white tones, and also add bevel and emboss using inner bevel. Adjust depth for realistic metallic shine. Use gloss counter to enhance edge reflection. Add subtle satin layers with white gradient and also apply inner shadow to define depth. Add outer glow with light gray. Reduce opacity for subtly. Duplicate text layer and apply motion blur for reflections. And also add highlights along top edges with a small brush. Merge layers for a clean base. Adjust gradient strokes to smooth transitions. Refine light angles and shadows.